welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'll show you how to change a light pole in a bathroom. So let's get started. I'm going to change the light pole because either it's broken or, like ours, this white cord has gone a bit disgusting. But what you'll find is, I go to the top here, you have the connector. You don't need to unplug, so you're not going into here. What you'll find is there's a connector here, okay? And this bit of string, I've already untied it, goes inside into a knot. So what you need to do, and I'll show you how to do that, is you pull the bottom bit of string out and then undo the knot, okay? So if I pull that bit of string out, so there you go, so I've pulled a bit of string out. Now if you want to change the height of the pull cord, so pull it up or down, so if I come away so you can see that, so see how I'm pulling that. All you do is you just tie a knot where you want it, at the top there, chop it off, then when you let it go, that'll be the height of the cord, okay? So usually, I mean, this is a bit different. I've got two bits of string. You'll have probably one bit of string going down to a little cord, like almost like a bell at the bottom. But in most instances, you'll have a knot like that. And all you want to do is either chop it off if you're not going to use a string again, or untie that knot, okay? So there you go, so I've just untied that. Now I can just pull that through, yeah? Okay, now all you're doing really is this bit of string is really, really easy. You're putting your new bit of string in, tying a knot into it, pull it to make sure that it's tight and it's not coming back through here. And then at the other end, if you're replacing it, you're taking off the little bell end, which is again got a little knot on it, and then that's it. Okay, now if you, like I said, if you want to change the height, you can just lift this up, tie the knot in a different location, put it in. Now some may have a bit of a different configuration, but this is nine times out of 10, this is how they are. And because you've got this little interface piece, you don't need to go in here, okay, to be able to change the cord. So it's a really easy 5-minute job. I hope that's helped. Please like, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.